Okay, so I've been feeling super uninspired lately and I'm finally getting some inspiration back. I watched a lot of new tutorials from like Nikki Tutorials, Nicole Guerrero, Jaclyn Hill, Samantha Ravendell, which is like my absolute favorite. And I finally became more inspired and I wanted to do another tutorial with this palette. I did one with the Huda Beauty palette in my Facebook group Upleveled Beauty. I have a live tutorial in there, but I haven't actually done an Instagram video with this or a YouTube video with this. So this is it. And I feel like this is pretty inspiring as a palette in general. So I just wanted to do another really fun look with it. I haven't done like a cut crease yet, or like an inner cut crease. That is the new rage right now, and so I wanted to try that as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really actually enjoyed filming this. It's the first time I feel like in a long time that I've really used a lot of product. Like I went outside my box, I used color, I used product, and I kind of went off complementary colors instead of just like trying to be matchy-matchy, and it's really worked out for me, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you do, please give me some love, and I will see you soon. Say Desert Dusk 3 times fast. Okay, so this is saffron. We're taking saffron first on a fluffy blending brush from Morphe, which all of my brushes are on theSoulFULLstylist.com, all of my recommendations. But I'm gonna first take this and I go in about, I would say 3 times into saffron to try and build up this color. And I am doing the entire crease and mostly the outer edge as well. After I built that up to where I wanted it, I go in with Blazing and I put that directly on top of saffron. I don't really blend it out any further upward or outward than where exactly I put saffron. And I go in multiple times with this color as well because I'm really trying to get that orange to show through. Next, I have not done the inner cut crease yet, ever, so this is my first time doing it, and I'm doing it on camera. But I take a concealer palette that is pretty pigmented. This is from Sonia Kashuk. I got it at Target, and I'm gonna work my way inward. You see my eye flutter like that because I wanna make sure that where I put that concealer and when I lift my eye up, it's not gonna transfer to the upper lid. So I'm just making sure with that little movement, and I suggest you do that as well. But I'm taking the concealer definitely on the inner part of my eye, out towards the outer part. It doesn't need to be perfect in the outer part because we're going to go over it with eyeshadow again, but you do want that crease, like line, to be very precise because that's the whole point of the look. Okay, so going in with MAC Fix Plus, I am wetting a shader brush, and I'm going to start with Twilight. I do think that this palette, for the shimmery shades, it does need Fix Plus or some sort of setting spray to make the shades work. So I'm not too thrilled about that, but what are you going to do? So I go with Twilight in the inner part of the eye, and then when I get to halfway, I use Royal, and I take Royal to where I put the orange, red, the Blazing, and Saffron. And then I'm just going to go over right where Royal touches Saffron and Blazing in with that original brush and just make the two transition. I then take Desert Sand and put it right underneath my eyebrow. I want to make sure that is completely clear of any eyeshadow up there, and then it blends in nicely with the Saffron and Blazing. So for the under eye, I'm taking the same pencil brush and I'm going to pick up the Saffron and I'm just going to blend that underneath my eye. I definitely start in the outer corner and I put the most eyeshadow in that spot, and then I kind of just bring it towards whatever's left on the inner eye. So this is just a dark brown pencil from ColourPop, and I put that on my waterline, and I put it a little bit below in the outer corner as well, and then on the upper lid I put a little bit on the outer corner, which then I'm going to go in with the shadow called OUD, which I don't know how to pronounce it, but I go in with that with just any brush. I'm just trying to, I guess, blend out. I want to give it a little bit more definition on the outer edges, and that's why I'm doing this. So then I go in with a clean pencil brush, and I'm going in with Moonstone. I'm putting it on the inner corner of my eye, and I'm actually bringing it down as well underneath the eye. And then I put it underneath my brows as well. Now I'm using any old mascara, and I'm putting it on my lashes. Well, here I make a mistake, but I'm putting it on my lashes underneath and actually on top as well. And if anyone's known me for a while, can you please see how far my lashes have come? This is with castor oil that I'm putting on my lashes every night, and I mean, they've really, really grown. Next, using an oldie but a goodie, this is the ColourPop Trap Liquid Lip, and I am just going straight in with this all over my lips. So here's the final look. If you guys decide to try this at home, let me know, and I'll see you next time.